Hello friends, today we will see some important and common functions, especially for beginners, that we can use in our day-to-day working. So here is the list of formulas what we will see, what we will what we will apply on different situation, and then here it is related to text, but it is again related to year, date and month format. So let's start the video. The first formula is now. So how now will work and how it will show the result? We just need to type now, bracket start, bracket close. So it will show you the date in full format and time. And the next is today. It will show you only the date in full format. Now is showing the time, and today is showing just date with 0000. That is time format. You can convert into day format only. After that, day function. It will pick the day from the date. So day is 19th August, so it pick only 19. Then weekday. Weekday. You need to give the date, full date, then comma, then return value. If your week is starting from Monday, then you can choose 2 and then close. It will show you the weekday of 19. Means 19 August is falling in a month of August, and weekday means 19 is the 6th day of that week. If you can see in calendar, I will show you. Today is 19, so it means it is the 6th day. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you need to specify the week is starting from Monday. Here we specify already 2. So if you see the formula again, if you remove 2, it will ask you the list starting day of the week. So we will consider Monday as starting day, and then enter. It will show you, it will tell us about 19th of August is the 6th day of the week. Here week number, again we'll give date range, date address, cell address, and then week number. It will tell us the week number of the date. Our week is starting from Monday again, and then so this is the week number 34. In 19 August is falling in week number 34. And then we will move to next formula, month. Again you need to link the date cell, month. It will give you the month number, 8th month. Then year, same way, you need to mention year, and then date. It will show you the year. EDATE function. You need to give the address of the date, and then comma, and then how many months you need to add in this date. It will show you the, for example, today is 19, I want to add 3 months or 4 months or 5 months according to your choice in the date. Then you need to mention the number of months. For example, for understanding, I will add just one month. So if computer will add 30 days, 1 month, it depends, 30 or 31, 29, 28, whatever, it will simply add 1 month in the current date. And then end of month date, EOMONTH, and then you need to give the start date, then comma, then how many months you want to add. For example, 1 month. Again it is showing you the end of the month date. Here if you can see, it is just giving the exact date after adding 1 month in 19. So in this day, end of month mean it will take you the last date of that month after adding 1 month in current date or specific date. So this is the formula for what we discuss now. Today, day, weekday, week number, month, year, EDATE, end of month. Mostly it will cover everything related to date, day, and all these things. So now we will move to text function. It is related to year, day, month. Let's start now one by one with example. You type text bracket, need to give the date cell address, then you need to type the format what actually you need from that. We'll type YYYY. Y mentioned 4 times, so bracket close. It will show you the year because we specify the format Y stands for year in this formula. So if we mention 4Y, and then it will give the 4-digit return 2023. It is 4 digits. Now see another example. Text if you will mention 2 times, it will show you only 2 digits, means 23 year. Here we mention 4, here we put 2y, so it is giving now 2 days, 2 digits only. So next function is same case but it is with the day. Text four digit Saturday. So here if you see we mention 4y, so it gives full name, full year, means with 2023. Here we mention full 4 times D, so it is giving us the full name of the day. Let's see what will happen with 3. One, two, 3. It will give short form, 3 digits only. Saturday, SAT, Saturday. And then we'll see with 2. Same address. Now it is giving numeric 19. When we'll mention 2, it will give 19. When 3 Ds, it is giving returning Saturday, SAT for Sunday, SUN, mean 3 digits only. And for full date you need to mention 4D, so it will give the return of full name, full day name. And then the same case with month. One M, month number only 8. We mention 1 M, so it is giving 8, only 8. So now the same case with the 2 time month, means we will write 2M. System automatically added 08 just to show in 2 digits how we mention in the formula. Now let's see what will happen with 3. It is giving August. Short form, means a short name with the 3 digit only. Same the case here with the day name. So same case here with the name of the month. Let's see 4 times what will happen. So it will give the full name of the month. Same case here, full name of the day, full name of the year, full name of the month.